Healthy eating for summer weight loss. Winter has been unforgiving. What better thing to do during the cold season than to sit in a couch and munch on some goodies while keeping yourself cozy and warm? It seems like yesterday when you were struggling to lose your winter coat. Before you even know it, summer is in its full effect. The minute you feel warm enough to wear shorts, you realized something: the beach is beckoning and you are not prepared for it, physically. You panic and think of stapling your mouth for a week or two, until you look good on your swimwear, as your summer weight loss solution. It can really be a struggle to shed excess fats, and most people fall into a summer weight loss dilemma every year. Wacky diet, starvation, and diet pills are beckoning and giving you hopes of slimming down for that swimming costume. Summer weight loss doesn't have to mean starving yourself to look your best in shorts or swimsuit. The secret to weight loss is to eat healthy foods. Food choices are actually easy to make during the summertime because high-calorie dishes are less appealing during the hot season. Take advantage of fresh fruits and vegetables that are at their peak and at their best in summer. Refreshing and light foods are bountiful and keep you out of the hot kitchen. Experts say that the best summer weight loss diet is to load up with nature's produce. Fruits and vegetables are low in calorie but loaded with essential vitamins and minerals, plus antioxidants and fiber to help your body flush those unwanted toxins and fats. Aside from their health benefits, they are delectable, juicy, and satisfy the taste buds. Berries, tomatoes, zucchini, melons, cucumbers, peas, and other greens are available at farmers' markets and grocery stores. Forget portion control and go ahead and eat all the fruits and vegetables you can get your hands on. Summer weight loss with nature's bounty will do your waistline no damage. If you are wondering what the healthiest summer weight loss foods are, here is a list of dietitians' and experts' food recommendation. Berries are luscious and sweet, but there is more to berries that meets the appetite. They are known to boost antioxidant levels and help reduce the effects of aging. Berries are also rich in nutrients that help lower cholesterol level. Watermelons are loved because they are watery, juicy, and crisp, perfect for satisfying thirst during the hot season. If you want a tasty summer weight loss, mix slices of watermelon with milk, water, and ice cubes. Whirl in a blender and your perfect juice is ready in a snap. Garden salads are the best bet for time and cost-efficient summer weight loss meal. They are easy to prepare and the perfect way to get vegetables into your diet. Dress your salad with healthy oils like extra virgin olive oil, walnut oil, or your choice of other healthy oils. Salads are a great way of letting yourself off the hook from the hot kitchen. Healthy eating is your best summer weight loss plan. Enjoy a hearty meal and reap the benefits of losing weight, staying fit, and living a healthy lifestyle. Jumpstart your summer weight loss with fruits and vegetables and get in shape for your favorite swimsuit.